Welcome to Jianglin, your trusted partner in stainless steel bar solutions. We start by carefully selecting raw materials and melting them in electric arc furnaces. The molten steel is refined using AOD technology to reduce impurities and control composition. After casting into billets, the steel is hot rolled into precise bar shapes, followed by heat treatment to enhance strength and corrosion resistance. Surface finishing helps remove scale and imperfections to achieve a smooth, polished surface. Each bar is thoroughly inspected for size, straightness, and surface quality. Bars are then cut to custom lengths, carefully handled using lifting equipment and transferred for packaging. They are bundled securely, wrapped with protective materials, and clearly labeled, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. Backed by modern equipment, skilled teams, and a commitment to excellence, Jianglin delivers stainless steel bars you can trust. Choose Jianglin, where strength meets precision.